to indicate my WhatsApp and something. So I can just come here and change this one to my AM. If you are using the WhatsApp I'm using, then you can get it. You change this one to my AM and capital letter L. Then I'll come here. I'll go to my font here, AB font. So I haven't started design. I'm just showing some illustration of what you will do for me. Then I can come to my font here, go to last pages and change my icon to this icon, then bring it down here, then place it here. Then I can use the relative position to move it. So I haven't talked about it. I will still talk it later. Bring it here. No, take it back to this right, and then I'll use my position to position it. Can you see it? I will discuss it. I'll discuss about it. I just want to give you something to do for your first assignment. So I'll use this to position it. Then I can now copy this, move it a little bit. Then I will now copy it. Copy. Then I can now write www.almbyte.com. So let's assume I want to place my web something. Then let me decrease the size a little bit. Then bring it down a little bit. Then position it to the center. Can you see? What I just want to tell you is that about the ALM Creative. Let's assume I'm not using ALM Creative. I just use this as my logo. I'm just discussing about how I can use my transparent, how I can get my PNG logo or something for our transparent. Then I haven't done with it. Then this will be your first assignment. This will be what you will do for me first. Then if I want to use this type of photo as my background, I just go to my image from gallery. Then after that, I can just pick any image. Let me just use this image. I wanted to use it for my background. Then I'll place it here. Then increase its size. Then bring it down. Increase its size also. And put it. You come to this icon and you place it. You will drag it down. So if you drag it down, then you come here to reduce its opacity. You come down here, you reduce its opacity, reduce. Then this will be our background. So reduce to 6%. Then after that, you can now save our image. Let me just save. But what I'm discussing about the transparent background. Can you see? If I want to place it here, I can remove the transparent. But if I'm not using transparent, I can come back to the color back. Then place the color back. I can use any color I like. So this will be your first parent. Then you come here, you save as project. You first save as project ALM byte. Then after that, you can now save to your images. You come here, you change it to PNG. Then after that, you come to Ultra and save to gallery. Then after saving to gallery, then it will save to your file manager. The thing is still saving. I don't want to use it much time here. Then after it has saved, then you can go back. Okay, you can go back to your default background. You can just come here, your default background. I want to mock it up. I can come here and change my color. That's what I'm discussing about. We are discussing about this square color. I can come here and change my color, go back to my color and change it to white. Then after changing it to white, I will go to my file from gallery, and I will pick my image. Then after picking my image, then I will place it here. Then after placing it here, I can increase its size a little bit. Then after increase its size a little bit, then I'll now go to my shadow and I'll give it a little shadow. Can you see that the thing has popped up? I'll now give it a shadow. Then I can now position it. Can you see that I have positioned? This will be your first assignment. Just go and save as image, save as png, ultra. Just go and try it. This will be your first assignment. So we are discussing about how you can derive your logo by using transparent background. So you will just write anything or the logo you have created, you will just go there and remove you use the transparent background. So we stop it. This is where we stop that transparent background. You wanted to use transparent background, so you can use this one as mock-up. Anything you write on your transparent background will be as a mock-up, so you can place it anywhere you like. So we stop here and we will continue later in our class. Thank you.